Hello beautiful souls, this is the first video on my channel, and before I introduce you to the content of my channel, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kavita Kumar and I am a scientist working at the Berkeley National Labs. I am a trained synthetic and molecular biologist, and that's me at a professional level. On a personal level, I am set out on a seeker's journey, and this journey is nothing but life. And in this process of seeking myself in this journey, I've acquired several versions of myself. And today I sit here being the best version of myself, just carefree, stress-free, independent, self-made, content, peaceful. And I sit here today in a space which is filled with every activity that I do is what my heart desires to do. I paint, I cook, I dance, I sing, I enjoy nature, and everything is because I want to do it for myself. And on my channel, I'm going to be sharing secrets of my experiences, of my learnings with you, because I know everyone wants to lead a life which is so content and peaceful. And so, let's get together on this journey together to inspire, to get inspired, where we will grow and evolve as a team. Welcome to Transformational Tuesday, Part 1. Today we are here because we all want to know how to be inspired, to keep moving ahead, to reach that state of contentment where you can face every challenge and overcome it. We have all read motivational and inspirational quotes since the time we have been able to read and comprehend. But I want to ask, how many of you have ever been able to implement those inspirational quotes into your life and move ahead? What if I tell you, I have found the secrets to keep us moving ahead, inspired, and I'm here to share those secrets with everyone. The very first secret we need to currently adapt to for us to inspire ourselves is to make it a practice to smile. Yes, the first thing that we should be doing each morning when we wake up is just smile. It just gives you that energy, that positivity to begin your day, to face everything with such composure. Even if we are going through a lot, try it and you'll see the difference. And with that smile on your face, why I say we should smile and wake up is because we need to be grateful. Why? Because you've got another day, a fresh slate, right? A clean slate that you have to achieve everything that you desire. Then the next question, have you ever thought, what does inspiration actually mean? Why do we need it? It's basically nothing but a stimulus, an incentive that we give ourselves to move towards our goal, our dreams, whatever we want to achieve in our life. And we all have been doing this since childhood. Now you must be wondering, crazy, right? Since childhood? Yes, let me explain how. As kids, we always look up to our parents, our teachers, and somewhere within us, we say, one day I will grow up to be like them, or I will put all the values that they've taught me to make me a better person. That's inspiration. As we grow up, we grow older, we start to idolize stars and celebrities in different fields, sports, movies, anything, authors, the field that you want to pursue yourself, your career, or your goals in. We start to idolize them. And why do we do that? It's simple, because we see ourselves, we aspire ourselves to be there one day. We want to reach the place where they are at. And we want to live that life, isn't it? That's inspiration. Then the question is, what stops you? Ever thought about it? Have you? If I am to tell you, there's literally no one who stops you. No one who stops you from achieving what you want to achieve in life, or whatever you desire. It seems crazy, but listen to it. The one thing I have learned is, I'm sure you will agree too, is the only thing that stops us is us. The one within you. Yes, we do it to ourselves. No one really holds you back or your progress. It's only you who stops yourself. I will tell you the reason why. It's only because we tend to think from our mind's perspective and not from our heart's perspective, where our instincts lie, where our instincts belong. It's really a tough battle between the mind and the heart, where we end up giving in to the silly logic our mind brings in. Instead, if I tell you, for once, just try using your instinct as a leverage and see how it rockets you to the next level. It definitely will. It's simple. We only need to accept ourselves the way we are. Identify our strengths, our weaknesses. Use your strength to keep you on this path, and weaknesses to push you forward, to empower you. Each day, just say, believe, and resonate with the words, I am enough. Say it with conviction. Feel it within every inch of your being. Do this every day, and you will see the difference. And when you start doing that, do things you have always wanted to do. Crazy things, anything that you have always wanted to do and you've stopped yourself from doing it. Only because your mind keeps pulling you from it. And what does your mind say? What will others say if I do it? Like, really? It's something that you want to do. Why do you even care what the others think about it? Ask yourself, does it really matter? Once you start doing it, you will see how your life changes. It shifts gear and changes everything for you. Just taking that first step out of your comfort zone is all we need to do. Yes. And rest will fall in place. That's what I did. And today, I'm living a life that I really want to. The only thing we need to remember why that is important, because our life is merely a reflection of our inner self. And once we believe our inner self, the rest will follow. To give a bit more clarity to this knowledge, I have composed a book. It's a free ebook called The Seeker's Journey, based on my own experiences and my journey. I have put the link in the description box below, and if you haven't already read it, please do download it, read it, and I'm sure you'll benefit from it in just one read. If you have liked today's video, please do like, share, and subscribe, and comment below what you thought about the video. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'm sure I'm leaving you today with a lot more questions than before as to how do we go about achieving all of this. But don't worry, like I said, this is a journey that we are together in, where I'm here to inspire, to get inspired and be inspired from one another. And I will expand on each and every content that I've spoken on and what I've been applying to my journey, for which I'm dedicating myself to do 3 videos per week, every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 8 a.m. Pacific time. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button. But for now, I will leave you with a thought. If you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. Love and light.